So today we are going to talk about the lintels, its introduction and its classification. So what is a lintel? A lintel is defined as a horizontal structural member which is placed across the opening. Now here one thing we have to see that a lintel is basically considered from a window. So in the given picture we can see the above portion denotes the lintel and the below portion denotes the sill level. So let us carefully look at the structure of a lintel. The topmost part of the window is a lintel. Next comes the sack or the back part. Next comes the aperture or the opening of the window. Next comes the sill level. At last, the block. Classification of lintel. The lintels are basically classified into the following types according to the materials of their construction. First, timber lintels. Next comes the stone lintels. Next, brick lintels, reinforced brick lintels, steel lintels, and at last, reinforced cement concrete lintels. Timber lintels. So these are basically found in the hilly areas. First we have to know that the word timber denotes the purest form of wood. So this basically timber lintels are relatively costly and these are also weak in structure and these are very much dangerous to fire, vulnerable to fire. These timbers easily decay, that means this deteriorates with time. So this basically needs to be taken care very much properly. Stone lintels. In the diagram we can see where exactly the stone lintel is located. So these are basically used where stones are very much easily available. These lintels consists of a simple stone slab which is greater in thickness, and this type of lintels are very much high cost, and one of the drawbacks is that it has the inability to stand with the transverse stress load. That means it cannot easily resist the transverse stress of the particular load coming on the structure. So here is a diagram showing brick lintels. So how do these lintels are formed? These lintels are formed by burning of first class bricks which are very much hard, and these are basically suitable for small spans. These bricks have forks which are very much suitable in structures. Reinforced brick lintels. Now these type of lintels are very much important because these are basically used for large spans where heavy loads are acting. These are basically reinforced with mild steel bars. Another most important thing about reinforced brick lintels is these are very much common due to its durability, its strength and its fire resisting properties. The joints are filled with cement concrete in case of reinforced brick lintels. Steel lintels. So these lintels are basically provided at large opening where the superimposed loads are heavy. So at the point where excessive loads are acting, these type of lintels are being basically used. This consists of rolled steel joists. So joints are also of type of rolled steel. So this type of lintels are either used singly or in combination of 2 or 3 units. So more than one unit can be used in case of steel lintels. And the joint in this particular lintels are with the help of bolts. That means bolted connection. Reinforced cement concrete lintel, which is also known as RCC lintel. So these lintels are basically used always in every structure. These may be of precast, that means these may be casted before they are being implemented near the window location. For smaller span, the precast concrete lintels are used. So when the span is very less, at that moment the precast concrete lintels are being used. The depth of lintel also depends on the amount of cements used.